Welcome to the in front of me iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you how to mute notifications on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and haptics. Now just here we got the text sounds, for example. Just to mute the notifications you should click here on the text sound, and to switch the currently message sound just to the noun. And now by this way we can see here we got the vibration only, but if you want you can just turn off the vibration by the same way, and we can see that we have now set the notifications sound to our messages. So by this way we'll just mute all the notifications on your device, and by the same way you can just mute the new voicemail, the mail sounds, the calendar and reminders notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.